I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really not very loud. And there's about an 8-inch section where the heat actually comes out. But it does work pretty good. I am happy with it. And it's set at 95 degrees. It also oscillates. And it is by far the best one that I have tried. I've tried several of them, and this one I really like. So, you know the saying, you do get what you pay for. I hope this video helps you.
Hey, so I want to do a quick review of the Dreo 24-inch space heater. Looks great. It's fancy and all. But honestly, it's really not all that impressive. Reason being is this right here, that's the only spot where the air is coming out. All this, cool to the touch. That's the only hot spot. And like the Lasco heaters and fans and whatnot, it's just a turbine in the back pushing the air out. It's on high. I wouldn't say it comes all the way out to 10 feet. Maybe 5 feet at most, you can feel it. I mean, it does heat up the room, but for the price that they're asking, I say go with Lasco instead of the Dreo. Unless you really want the looks, that's truly what you're paying for. Because this cheap little Honeywell thingamajiggy that someone else brought into the office works just as good as that, and I bet you that Honeywell is about half the price. Alright, y'all.
It's nice. This is compared to my fan. And you can see compared to the door, it's good size. Comes with its own thermostat, or what you call it, remote. You can either set it on temperature control, or you can set it to 3 levels of heat that it has. 1, 2, 3 levels, and it really does put out the heat too. And the oscillation feature is really pretty cool. No, I love it. I can feel the heat all the way out to here. I can feel the heat blowing. Not bad.
Come on over to my place.
Quick video on this Dreo heater. This is H1 mode. You can barely hear it. I know it's dark, but that's just how I keep my area. But you can see it turning. That's echo mode. That's the fan mode. You can see it oscillating. Here's H1. H2. You can see it's extremely quiet. H3. And it has like a child mode right here. And 30-second countdown. You can hit it again, it goes right off. Right back on.
So this is my Dreo space heater. It's currently heating up my bedroom. It's very small and portable. It doesn't take up too much space, but it does heat up the entire room, which is great. I have it currently set at 82 degrees, but you can change it to all the way up to like 95 degrees, which is great. It also comes with this remote, and so I can hit this button, and now it's oscillating. So you know it's not just gonna hit you directly at one point. It can kind of spin around and disperse the heat a bit. The other great thing about it is it has this touch screen, so you can just touch the screen and it literally changes the temperature, the oscillation, and off and on. And you can have a timer set so it turns off in the middle of the night too.
Alright, we got the Dreo heater at its demise. It's not plugged in right now, but I've had it for about 1 to 2 months, and I think it's pretty freaking great for the price. It's very quiet. It's all touch. There's no buttons. It's true to its advertisement, about 2 to 3 second heating. It's really good. The highest I've gone is maybe 80. Just because I live in a like medium temperature area. It doesn't need to be that warm. Yeah, it's pretty dang good.
It is noisy. I did not expect this heater to be this noisy.
Very expensive heater for 110 quid. There it is. It's been on about 4 hours inside a room that big, conservatory. And me and my missus are sitting here absolutely freezing. Crap.
So this is what happens when you plug this heater in. A burnt plug and almost a fire. Be careful. This is not what you want.
Does it make noise?